Hello, sixth graders. Hey, good news. Your last lesson in chapter 9. 9.5, mean absolute deviation, or abbreviated MAD, kind of like Mr. Mac is every single day. Okay, so mean absolute deviation, what this big fancy title means is how far apart are our data. Is it really, really spread out? Is it really, really close together? Or is it sort of a typical kind of things are spread out nice and evenly? Okay? So you know how to find the mean. That's pretty simple. You add up the numbers, the data values we'll say to be a little more precise. We divide by how many data values there are in that particular set. And then we find our mean. So that's step one. Step two then, I have to find the difference between the mean and every single data value in the set. Once I find the difference, what word comes to mind? Hopefully subtraction. Once I subtract all those data values from the actual mean, then I go ahead and add all those numbers up, and I go back and I divide by how many numbers there are. Okay? A very small mean absolute deviation would be something around 1. 1.5, and of course a large one would be, let's say, 50. Okay, if I was doing ages of middle schoolers, my mean absolute deviation is going to be extremely small. If I do the age of everyone that lives in Colorado, my mean absolute deviation is going to be relatively large because there's going to be a big span of numbers. Okay, I'm not going to waste a whole lot of other time with the lecture. Okay, the notes, I need you to write down each individual step of finding mean absolute deviation. I promise you if you do, it's going to make your life a lot easier. Peace out.